Hi, the new babies. Oh my god, I love the look of this one. Hi. Babies. Babies. Oh my god, you're so tiny. Oh my gosh. Man, these ones aren't gonna last long. They look so neat. Excuse me, child. There's the little. Can we get him?
Listen to that motor.
Oh, he looks just enough like Beanie, but not close, but not enough to make me sad.
It's got a little marble pattern. Oh, hello. Oh, my.
Hi, baby.
Holy cow.
Oh my goodness, man, they are friendly. Hi, Ginger baby. Oh my god. Mauled by kittens. The perfect death.
Hi, tinies.
Hi. Goodness. Oh, he's grabbing me. Oh my goodness, sir. I'm guessing you're a sir.
Oh, hi. Oh.
Oh my god, they are freaking pulling down my purse. Kids. We got another creamsicle here. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this.
It's very pausy. He's putting it on.
Don't try to pull my pin off. Kids. I think this is the most action my purse has gotten.
Very pausy. Hi.
Oh my god.
It's kind of crazy cloiter.
Excuse me guys, I'm gonna have to put a stop to this. Stop it. Get out of my purse. Thank you. I need to close that up. No, stop it. Oh my god. Oh, little baby. Hi, cuties. These babies. Oh my gosh, look at them. You have the coolest face. Well, there's this one again. Oh, no. Kittens. Ah, ow, ow, ow. Ouch. Excuse me. You are a problem.
The dilutes, man, they're always a little crazy.
Kittens. Look at this cute little baby. I haven't got much. Yeah, hi. Oh my god.
Pulling you away so the other ones can attack you.
Purse, yeah. Man. These ones a good biscuit and run for our money. Hi there, sweeties. You are entangled. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Ah, come on, kids. Kids. Oh my god. Oh my god, give it. Give it back. Give it back. Children. 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 Oh my god. Ah. Yeah, I love the look of this one. We're so cute and cool looking, little baby. Yes, you are. Look at you. Oh my god, I can't. I just can't with you. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are the craziest kittens they've had in here. I swear.
Holy cow.
Oh my goodness. Excuse me, stop eating it. Oh my god. The one's been caught. Kittens. Look at that. Hi. Come on, camera.
Gesundheit.
Yeah. Poop. Okay. Okay. Oh god. It's you again. Hi. Ow. That's where babies come from. Oh my god. This is just pure chaos. Some cool feet. Man, you're so neat looking, little baby. Look at that. And y'all are all gorgeous. I don't know about that completely. They're sweet. They're just all nutty. Got all that baby energy. Man, you are gorgeous. Got a newbie in here. Who are you, sir? Hi. This camera sucks. Oh, okay. I'm coming. Hi, Snow. Oh my goodness. And there comes Zoe for her in. Oh my god, sir. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
So, what are you doing? Playing hard to get? Come on.
Statler, he's loving my purse. You smell the babies? And there's the new boy. Oh my god, you're so cute. So very sweet. Yes, you are. It's Keller. They brought in a toy and are all obsessed with the toy. Stop eating it, Jim. Tiger Jim, stop eating it. Tiger Jim. Tiger Jim. Tiger Jim. Oh, you got Zoe. Jim. Stop eating it. Stop it. Stop. This toy isn't gonna last long. Oh, hi, sir. Aww. Sorry, I'm put on my pants. Tiger Jim, stop it. Stop it. Yeah, it's already been like almost chewed through all the way. Guys, stop it. Keller. Snow. Jim. Little Spice. Nice girl. Panda was adopted. It is horrible. I mean, it's not horrible. It's great that they got adopted, but sad for us. Poor Pappy over there just trying to sleep. These damn kids. Hi, Keller. Little vanilla. We got the little black babies in here. They settled in well. Snow? She's doing snow. Oh my god. Oh, sweetheart. Oh. God, it's Zoe. Yeah, and you get that resting bee face. And black baby. And this little black baby. Hi. Hi, hi. That little bisque. Buddies, what are you doing, little miss? Huh? Yeah. Poor Pappy. There's all these kids. They're so rambunctious. All these youngsters. All these youngsters. Oh, he's so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah. You're a moo cat. Forest. Hi, Forest. Snow. Yeah. You sassy. You a sassy. Zoe. Oh, yeah. Look at this.
I can't wait to see the kitten. Oh, there's a whole new crew in there, hey? Whole new crew of kittens. Here, we'll start at this then. This way we're not interrupting with butterscotch from her party. My mom.
Oh, toy. Hi, Snow. Sam. Sure. So cute. Buddy. This cute girl, she just smacked a black cat. Guess he was invading your space, huh? They're cute. Finn. Fluffy. Got his fluff button on Pappy's face. Poor Pappy. Look at those legs. So his name is Sam. Cool. You're Sam. Tiger Jim. You're crazy. You're a crazy boy. Oh, sweet Statler, sleeping. What you doing, Forrest? No, you sweet boy. Oh, okay. He's a temperamental boy, though. He's sweet, but you're a little moody. Yeah. And then he comes right back. He's like, hey. You got mad at me. Yeah. He's like, don't touch me. Maybe. He just seems to be like that. Hi. What are you doing? Yeah, is that what you're doing? Yeah, that's really light. What are you doing? You got litter on your face. You got litter dust all over you. He's trying to change the legs. She's like, no, no.
Stayed there the whole time. And I supported her butt. Zoe.
Oh, you're such a pretty girl.
Such a little character.
Good girl, Zoe. Sam's over there meowing. Keller. Keller belly. Sam. Sam. And I'm being held captive by a butterscotch. Oh, never mind. Which will never leave him. And we have a canyon. Say hello. He's like, hug.